Hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about Shiba Gold X, new cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So, hopping onto their website at shibagold.com, you can see their logo, this being the final Shiba Golden Eternite to restore honor to the Shiba Golden species. We can see the market cap being only at 77,000, so a very small market cap, as this token has launched for almost 2 days. It's not even 2 days, it's only 1 day and a half. You can see here the stats. So there's a 3% marketing wallet tax, 65% was burned. Also, you can see the liquidity being 51 BNB, equivalent to $14,800. So very nice for this market cap. We can see here the 210 holders. Also, let's check the BSC scan. Let's just refresh it. 228. Total supply being 1 quadrillion tokens. There's a 5% liquidity pool tax, 2% going to all holders, and there's 1% going to the charity. So if we check the BSC scan, we can see that 65% is burned, as I've said there. See also here on the tokenomics, 65% initial burn, 30% is the circulating supply, and 5% is for the marketing team. Also, as I said before, the transaction fees, there's 1% charity, 2% distribution to all holders, 3% marketing and team, and there's 5% of every transaction go back to the liquidity. You can see here the roadmap and everything. So they got this cool little animation. Welcome to Shiba Gold X. We can scroll. So tokenomics, as I said before, the roadmap. So they got a stealth launch on BSC, Reddit marketing, listings on coin voting sites, and community building. Phase 2, so social media marketing, we'll get that later. Also the charity, they're doing charities. As I've said before, the phase 1, phase 2, social media marketing, TikTok, Twitter, developing charity, first donation CoinGecko application. Phase 3, trustworthy BSC scan logo update, audit by Certic, CoinGecko on CoinMarketCap listing, and Shiba Gold X NFTs. And into the last phase, decentralized swap DEXs, major exchange listing, Shiba Gold X merchandising, and partnership with charity organization, as they are right now trending tokens on CoinSniper, as they got all 500 votes. Highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with 300 members, as well as giving them a follow on Twitter. So you can see here they are number 5 on Coin Hunters and number 10 on CoinSniper. So if you guys want to buy Shiba Gold X, all you guys have to do is go onto your website over here and just click on buy Shiba. It redirected to PancakeSwap, but if you guys don't want to buy on PancakeSwap, you can buy on KuCoin. It's the same thing. This is just has auto slippage, so just put in auto slippage. Let's say I want to buy 0.02 or 0.2 BNB worth. Click on the auto slippage, click swap. MetaMask will give you a notification in about a second, as we can see over here, and just click on confirm. But if you don't want to swap through KuCoin, make sure the slippage tolerance is on 13%. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget the notifications, and I'll catch you into the next one.